So guys, we're headed right now into Greenwich. So me and my husband are on our way. I just got a order from Shein and I got so many cute things. I can't believe it. Like, this is a bodysuit top, and I'm gonna be back and show you what else I got. But I got a bunch of coats, a bunch of tops, you know, just winter refreshers, bodysuits, sweaters. I got just so many cute things. So I'm gonna be back and show you everything that I got in my Shein haul. So that is coming soon, but I can't wait to show you the coats because I did get a leather trench. It looks so cute and I've been wanting one, but you know, I didn't know if I really want to commit to the look. So it's great, you know, well, Shein quality is great, so we'll see when it gets here. But if that one hasn't gotten here yet, but the tops got here, so I just got all my tops. And so this is how I'm wearing it today. I just have these leather pants on with it, and I got this in a few different colors. I got it in a chocolate color, like a cream color, and the black, and it was like a 3-pack set for less than $20, so that was amazing. And I just wanted to mention it before I forget, but the Shein Black Friday sale is coming soon, so I'm gonna show you everything that I got, and I'm gonna mention a few other things that I'm going back for hopefully when the sale starts, because the things that I picked up, they were still so affordable, but they weren't the Black Friday sale prices. But when the Black Friday sale gets here, of course there's gonna be amazing prices. I had to show you though, this is my bag of the day. I've been using this bag like crazy, and I don't know if you saw when I got this Twilly in I got this in LA at the Chanel boutique. And when I first got it, let me try to fix this here. When I first got it, the essay, he tied it on for me and it was pink and black, so I never realized till I got it home just the other day and it flipped over, but the other side is black and white design. This is the only side that I had saw. It has these little pink you know, that's the Coco Chanel initials, and I was in love with that because I love pink. But then when I got home, it flipped over. I gotta unwrap this because there's a little cartoon picture of Coco and her hat. There's so many things hidden in here in this Twilly. It's so cute, it's so beautiful. I could have sworn there was a little picture of her. Oh, here's the jacket. There's just all little kinds of designs hidden in the Twilly. So I have to unwrap it because there's probably more. There's her hat. So cute. I love it. So, and then I got here my RMS Beauty. They're now at Ulta. They sent me this lip gloss holder. So this is their legendary lip gloss. And then they have this holder. I'm not sure if this is for sale. Hopefully it is on their website or something, or maybe at Ulta. But it has the lanyard. And so cute. I got the shade Lucia here. This is clean beauty makeup. This is totally non-sticky. It feels so good, so moisturizing, so long lasting, and again, zero stickiness. So I love how you can keep it on your bag and just have it with you to reapply on the go, and it's so dang cute. And RMS Beauty is now at Ulta, and they were having a sale the other day, so definitely check out and see if they're still on sale at Ulta. And I love the skin tint too. That's on sale too. Guys, I just realized I have to go head into Macys here by my house before we head to Greenwich. I'm gonna pick up a present, so gotta get a gift. I can't believe it, but at Macys they already have out the holiday decorations and they're having so many sales. I could not believe it. And I know that they said they had a big sale the other day and there was an additional 30% off the sale prices, so Macys is good for sales. So I'm heading to the baby section. I'm gonna get some baby outfits, some baby toys. So they're having a big sale, so I figure I'd stock up right now. Oh, they have some new stuff because I was here the other day and they didn't have hardly anything, but now they have a bunch of stuff, so at 50% off. So cute, right? So I'm gonna get a bunch of, oh, look at this, a baby coffee machine. It's so cute. And I'm gonna get some, let's see here, my stepdaughter loves Gap, so I'm gonna get her some Gap pajamas. So I'm just doing a little, oh, let's see, these are cute, right? These are very soft. I got these for someone else and they loved them so much. Oh, and they're 40% off. Okay, that is so good. I'm gonna get her those. One right. So I just got home, but I wanted to share this Boxycharm unboxing from my Boxycharm the other day. Now, this box was so good, you guys. I literally could not believe it. I got this vitamin C serum from, I believe that was Clara, New York City. This cream looks amazing, and wait till you see how gel-like it is, and it feels so good on your skin. And then I also got this palette in my Boxycharm. So this was beautiful. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'll be back and we'll test it out together. But the colors were so beautiful. And then I got this Tarte. This is kind of like a blush wand. It looks so gorgeous. Cannot wait to play with this and test it out with you beauties. And beautiful peach shade. So I've been loving mixing peach and pink blush. But then they also sent this Kevin Aquan lipstick or lip pen. It's such a beautiful color. I have to come back and test it out with you beauties, but I just want to unbox everything and show you what I got. This is actually my Boxycharm from last month, and I never had a chance to unbox it yet. And then this is a Too Faced Holiday Blush Palette. It's blush and highlighter palette that I got in PR. So beautiful, limited edition. I'll have it linked down below. It's so gorgeous. And then I did get some more goodies. And then this is the Too Faced Holiday Palette. This is called Precious Gems, and this is limited edition. So beautiful. The shimmers in here look actually wet on your eyes. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and definitely a great gift to pick up for yourself or loved ones for the holidays. If you love skincare, you need to try this limited edition Sephora Collection Cryo Cooling Face Mask. It feels so good. Yes, it looks weird, but it actually is cooling on your face, and when you take it off, you seriously will not believe the glow and the hydration that it gives to your skin, and it just makes you look more wide awake, definitely glowing. And it is made of primarily naturally derived ingredients, and it just gives you an instantly fresh look, and it just really feels so good, especially if you have dry or irritated or sensitive skin. This feels so good. You'll love it. And then beauties, this is my Ipsy glam bag that I got. This is another one that I got last month, but I didn't have a chance to unbox it. But I unboxed it today, but today I did also get my one for November, so I'm going to unbox that soon. But this one is October, so you probably have opened yours already. If not, if you're not signed up, this is, a great preview, or this is what you can expect in your Ipsy glam bag, because they're always filled with goodies, and they always come with that beautiful makeup bag. That was the bag for October, black and white. Really love that. But in this month's Ipsy glam bag was this Bobbi Brown face vitamin enriched face base, which I used to use this all the time, but I haven't used it in a while, and I'm so glad they gave this deluxe size sample, because look at the glow. It's so moisturizing. It feels so good. It has such a fresh, nice scent to it that you really want to drench yourself in it. It's so nice. So love that. And then they also sent here, this is going to be a blush that I'm going to unbox for you dolls, and this is a beautiful matte baby pink blush, or it's a little deeper than baby pink actually, but it's beautiful. It's in the family of those baby pinks. So gorgeous. I tried to kind of swatch it for you, but I was kind of struggling with the angles, but it's so beautiful and very pigmented and just absolutely gorgeous. So love that. And then also in my Ipsy glam bag, this is from, is it Toy? I bought something else from them. I used their, what does it say here? Toy Factory, I believe. And that is a oat milk makeup remover, which I cannot wait to try. And then this is a lip liner. Now this lip liner is so long lasting. I could not get it off my arm. I put it on my arm to show you guys, and I couldn't get it off. It's still on my arm right now. I washed it with soap, washed it with water. I'm gonna use micellar water next, but it doesn't come off. I gotta put it on my lips and get back to you and let you know how it lasts on the lips. But on my arm, I was like really struggling to try to get it open. But as you can see here, why? But I really should, yeah, that was crazy. But yeah, the color is beautiful, and it just does not bite. I think it broke there, but it was really good, guys. It's so long lasting. It's just unbelievable. Like I said, I still cannot get it off, and it's been like 10 hours later. This was this morning, and I can't get it off. But there you could hope. I'm trying to show you the color, but as you can see, I was struggling here. But, I was having a good time. That's what matters, right? And I love it. And that's beauty for real. And I also have an eyeliner, very long lasting. This is a lip oil that everything comes deluxe size samples. So I got that lip oil, and now this lip oil feels so good. Here I'm just trying to open it with the scissors, So I finally got it open, but also here are some swatches of that lip liner and the blushes. And then here is the lip oil. Now this lip oil feels so good. And now the Ipsy Glam Bag goes for about, I believe it's $13 a month. I will have everything for Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm linked down below, so you can join. Boxycharm is about $30 a month, but you get full-size products in your Boxy. So Ipsy is more deluxe size samples. But both are great. I'll have them linked down below. Thanks for spending time with me today, beauties.